How's it going, guys? I'm Suzuki Ninja Taro. Today, you are going to learn about driving on narrow roads. The exam includes tasks like the crank course and the S-curve course. By watching this video, you might learn how to drive through a crank course more smoothly. Let's begin. Before starting, you need to know the size of the car first. It will help you a lot. It depends on the driving school, but this car seems to be the main one used now. You could call it a standard size. There will be various reference points, but they may differ depending on the car and seat position. However, they're mostly similar. I think this will be useful, so please make the most of it. First, you need to know the size of the car. It's just under 5 meters long and about 1.7 meters wide. The view from the driver's seat. If you turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and move forward, the front tire will cross this yellow dashed line, and the rear tire will follow this yellow wavy line. If you turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and move forward, the front tire will cross this yellow dashed line, and the rear tire will follow this yellow wavy line. Point. When driving through the crank course, do you think it's better to go fast or slow? The correct answer is to go slow. Moving slowly allows you to stop and reverse if you make a mistake. If you go too fast, you won't be able to stop in time to correct your mistake. If you do make a mistake, stop immediately. Make sure it's safe, and then reverse carefully to fix your position. The view from the driver's seat. To safely complete these tasks, it's important to position your vehicle correctly. Slow down enough before reaching the entrance. Start your turns from the outer side and guide your car towards the outer side after turning. This makes maneuvering much easier. However, this becomes difficult if you're going too fast. So, take your time and go slowly. Pay close attention to the timing of your steering to make smooth turns. View from behind the car. Imagine how you will turn at the first curve as you enter. Keep your speed at walking pace, stopping is okay. Before finishing the first curve, start thinking about the second curve. Visualize the path of your wheels and the width of your vehicle. As you near the end of the second curve, focus on the exit. Wow, look at the time. It's dinner time already. Let's call it a day. See you next time, Ninja. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well.